Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Ninja Blender. So this is the Ninja Blender that we are talking about, and over here on your Blender, you will be able to see a reset button. So if you are facing any type of problem and you want to reset your Blender, the first thing that you need to do is to simply press the red reset button on the outlet that the Blender is plugged into. If there is no red button for this outlet, you need to look for other outlets near the outlet that your Blender is plugged into. Oftentimes, this reset button will restore the circularity in your home and will allow you to blend again. So you just have to simply follow these steps that are mentioned over here in order to reset your Ninja Blender. If none of the method is working for you, you can just go to the official website of Ninja, and from there you can even contact with the customer service for more assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.